Hello, in this video I will show you how to create new user account on Windows 11. So you have to start with clicking on Windows icon and now open Settings application. Now go to Accounts tab and click on Family and Other Users. And click now on Add Account button. And here you have to click on I don't have this person sign-in information. And now you have to click Add User without a Microsoft account. Now you have to add this user username. I will add test. And you can add password or leave it blank and you will create an account without a password. So just click next. And as you can see, I have just created a local account named test. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.